तो पता है कि संकट मोचन में चल रही सिबलिंग्स की सीरीज। तो आज हमने फिर से पकड़ लिया है दो भाई बहनों को। ये है ब्रदर, इनका नाम है कुशल सिंह जो कि 6th के स्टूडेंट हैं, और यहाँ पे है अंशिका सिंह जो कि 8th की स्टूडेंट है। वेलकम टू द न्यू पॉडकास्ट ऑफ संकट sibling series. Were you waiting for that?
Yes.
I was knowing that you both are waiting. So, which topic you want to talk?
How to overcome this poverty?
Poverty. Poverty is the biggest problem of India. I consider it the biggest problem of India. So poverty.
Yes.
So firstly, you both are the rich people, right? Rich or poor?
Not in the middle.
Middle. Main problem is that everyone says that I'm middle class.
Yes.
You know what is the division of middle class? What is the criteria? Who comes in middle class? Middle class. Even a person who is earning 50,000 who says that I'm middle class. And even actors, many actors who are earning more than 5 crore, when they say the Ambanis, Elon Musk, they say that yeah, we are from middle class, but we can. So there is, actually there are 3 categories. Okay, you know that?
Yes.
What?
Sir, lower, sir, middle, and
Lower, upper, and middle. And you know, in upper now there are 3 categories: upper, middle, upper lower. And in middle there are 3 categories: middle upper, middle lower, middle lower. And in lower class there are 3 categories: lower upper, lower middle, and lower. Okay. So what I think that na, your father earns money in abroad, na?
yes.
Which country?
Sir, South Africa.
South Africa. So money comes from another country. So you are in lower class, upper, lower upper.
Yes.
Okay. No, middle lower. Just because money is coming from the abroad. So South Africa it gets true. Okay. So what are the ways? How to come over poverty? How to overcome?
Definitely, poverty is not permanent. Okay.
It's not. Everyone should know. It's not
Permanent.
permanent. Okay.
It's,
How?
it's a situation where we can overcome from it.
Okay.
Definitely. So we can see in our country many people are suffering from poverty. There are many categories which they are divided, like in education system, other systems, which poverty has divided many people.
Okay.
So I would like to say that poverty is not permanent. It's a situation from which we can overcome. And according to many of the yojanas which were given up Pradhan Mantri
Schemes.
schemes, that is coming, and by the
Okay.
help of that.
Are schemes making people poor?
Schemes are not making people poor.
But
Sir, if government is giving the schemes to the poor people who if they don't have money for good education, good health, that's why they are giving the schemes to the poor people. If don't have the money, they can use the schemes for education and
okay. Okay. No, I've seen many laborers who
yes.
are from the lower middle or lower. So there's a perception. Like government is giving 5 kg ration, so no need to work for the ration because we are getting from the government. So and someone is getting the unemployment something like many schemes are there for the hospitals
Yes.
they know there is a card na
Ayushman.
Ayushman card.
Ayushman.
Ayushman card, okay.
Yes.
So they are not, the person who has the Ayushman card, they are not taking the health insurance.
Yes.
They are not taking health insurance. Why? Because they are thinking, and Ayushman card will not work everywhere. It is not going to cover your all the things. No? There are many things. When you go for the medical, so there are, it doesn't cover all the things. No? But health insurance, it covers all, I think.
Okay.
So why they are not using it?
Because they think that government is giving them that money, and they're not aware that it is not gonna work everywhere.
Everywhere. Many hospitals are there. You know, few hospitals are there. They say that we accept Ayushman card
Yes.
directly. No? So many hospitals they deny.
Yes.
It is not. It is rule that no one can deny. But you know they can deny. Like suppose that no, if government is saying that uh, you will have to give admission 400 admission to them. The school is saying I don't have seats. Then they can say that I don't have seats. So they are saying that they are saying how they are saying maximum 20 student I teach. Suppose that you are going to admit a doctor.
Yes.
You are doing and he is doing that. You will get your operation after then you will use your Ayushman card. And he's not. He doesn't deal. He deals only in cash. So after that, because the person who is using Ayushman card, it is in record also. No?
Yes.
Whatever money doctor has taken, it will be in record. You will have to give the tax. So, okay, leave that. This is so, what do you think then? How to overcome the poverty?
How to overcome the poverty? By the education,
Education.
skill,
How education will overcome the poverty?
definitely.
Because many educated people they are also poor. They are not able to earn the money.
Sir, it is because that in India, 45% of people who have graduates are there,
Graduated.
not getting the job. So I think
Why they are not getting the job? What is the reason?
it's not the problem system. I think the requirements of the government is there, like for specific seats of specific category of jobs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what will you say?
How to overcome the poverty? So I said that in India, 45% of graduates are there who are not getting jobs. It's not the problem of the persons; they are the problem of the government.
This is the problem of government.
No, the seats, the specific seats are
Seats. Why?
there. So because it's depends on the requirement and how much government jobs are available there.
It is not a matter of government. Only the person will be the good one who is only doing the government job.
But because many
Only 2% government jobs are available.
yes,
So what 98% people will do?
they can do what with the help of the skills.
What kind of skill? Because many works without skill. Many works are there in India. Without skill you can do.
But in this generation, skills are important.
Skills are important. But many like after suppose that you have done the graduation. Okay? After graduation you are thinking that you are not able to tell answer of a single question. Okay, suppose that you have done graduation in history, with the subject of history, you are not able to tell about history.
Yes.
But you are saying that I am a graduate. I am a graduate. I cannot do small work. I cannot do.
Small.
I think this is leading them towards poverty. It doesn't matter that you are graduate. Main thing is that no, how you are utilizing your graduation. Which subject you did your graduation? Are you utilizing this or not? Is there a market or not? Like that, suppose that I am. After graduation, I have done B.Ed, then I have done M.A. It means if talk about my academic qualification, I am M.A. B.Ed. But I never use my degrees. Never use. Even someone asked me that, tell about your degree, I said I am an uneducated people. I deal with my English only. Whatever I know a little bit, I deal with English. Okay? So I don't have this command. Suppose that if I am not teaching listener, so I will do any work kind of work. The people who are doing, they are not poor. The person who is like riding the e-rickshaw, the person who has a little small dairy, the person who is doing even the daily workers, they are not poor. People who are busy making the excuse, and I think thinking is poor.
Yes.
Main problem is that thinking and the inflation, price hiking. It is making people poor. It is making people poor. Like suppose that if you are earning 20,000 rupees, okay, your students are your children, your son or daughter. They are going in government school. You have done that. You will do exercise daily. If you have little bit health problem, I will go in district hospital. You are the health conscious. You are not using too much oil. You are not using the eating the fast food too much. Okay. So where are the expenses? And in the marriage ceremony, you are saying, "Dear, now it is not from my side. I'll come. I'll have food. There is no invitation. I'll give. You give to me. Okay? Where is the expense? Where is the expense? 20,000 not enough? Is it enough or not? 20,000 enough or not? We can say the person who is earning 20,000 is a rich person. But where is the problem? Where is the problem?
Mainly the problem comes when the big issues come in the houses, like the health issue.
Health issue, that's what I'm saying. Now, you know, 90, the chances are 90%. If a person is doing exercise daily,
Yes, sir.
so 90% chances are that he will be fit. If we're not eating the
Fast.
fast food, if we're not ready to compare with someone, no need to compare. Just focus to your kids. Like many students, they are coming in like a private school. They are not doing anything. They don't know ABC study. They don't know. So definitely he will go in UP government school, government schools. So where are the expenses? Don't go to the hotels. Anything. You tell your opinion. I want to know your opinion. Luxury matters or not?
Luxury, sometimes it matters.
It matters. So tell.
Sometimes. Like sometimes people think I want to show someone else that how we are living. That in the weddings they want to show that
Wedding.
we are rich and that likes Ambani. Definitely, I have seen the fact that he's not using 1% of his money in his wedding.
Definitely.
But the common people are there.
They are
who
using
spend-
10, minimum 20%.
Yes, sir.
Whole income.
Yes, sir. In the wedding.
If there is a person whose total wealth is 50 lakhs. And who has the wealth of 50 lakhs? No one right now. The person who doesn't have field, who can't prove that he has the wealth of 50 lakhs. Without field, no one can prove that I have the wealth of 50 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Mehndi ceremony, haldi ceremony. After that, 2 DJs, 3 DJs, and big tent.
Sir, I think poverty comes when the society excludes some amount of people from the society and it increases the poverty. And when the society includes the people in that society, then the poverty decreases. So we should decrease the marginalization which is happening in our societies to decrease the poverty.
No, first we talk about the level. So then point to point we'll talk. It was a discussion. Now we'll talk the point to point how to come the poverty overcome. Okay. So first we talk about the education. Education will finish the poverty. Okay.
Yes.
But after education, people have to understand which education you have done. Just try to go in that field. Then your education will help. Otherwise, it is not going to help. Suppose that I have done graduation, or I have done MA. After that, I am just riding the e-rickshaw. And I am saying I am a graduated person, call me sir. It will not work there. Now I will have to say, Bhaiya, come here, I am going to PD, I am going to Sutanapur, I am going to Sultanpur, sit. No? Just go and clean the seats. This is the skill up there, no? This skill will also be there, no?
Yes, sir.
This skill will. Suppose that we have started that I will sell the vegetables.
Yes, sir.
And you are saying that I am the graduate. I have the fresh fruits, fresh vegetable who want to take easy come. No, you will have to tell. Fresh vegetables available here. And in Hindi, even in Dehati. So what do you think that? If I am not teaching in any kind of school or coaching, and I am starting any other, like I have opened a kirana store. I am saying someone is coming to my house. Okay, so Mister, what do you want to have? He will not come to my house.
Yes, sir.
He will come to my house.
No, sir.
It means study can, education can remove your poverty, but you will have to understand for earning money, go in that direction where you have expertise. Second, what people should do.
People should do. I think the people to remove the poverty, the people should learn the new skills,
New skills. That's
like
important.
coding,
That's
speaking.
important. Part-time money. No? That's
Yes.
the part-time money. People are not ready to understand. It gives too much money. It gives too much. Are you doing something else?
So like I'm personally learning the communication, how to improve the communication
Okay.
of myself. So I'm working on it. So I'm working on a skill. I think the people should work on their different skills like coding.
Why aren't you working on YouTube or something else?
So I'm not working because I am a small bit little for that.
Not little for that. 3-year, 4-year students are teaching the daily words.
And
Then do your teaching. Make your channel after then. Really give a word. Hello, this is Amsika. And today I'm gonna tell you the word of the day. If you're thinking that people will abuse over there, people will say be bad things, no, so like after comments, don't get anything. Don't get anything. That is very good.
the main problem is I come from a strict family.
Strict family. This is the main problem of poverty. This is the main problem of poverty, na? That you come from strict family, that their girls can't work. Huh?
Yes,
Girls can't work, no?
that is
That is the main problem. Everyone can work. Everyone can work, no? Okay, so third thing. So for the removing poverty, you have to leave the orthodox thinking. It's how
definitely it's hard.
okay,
Because
next.
it's an